Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. Today we're going to go to a little car show. I literally just got off work, still in my uniform. I got to head home, change and shower real quick, and then we're going to go to a little car show about 15 miles away. It's just in the next town over. I'm not expecting much because it is a very small town and it is their town doings, and it does happen to be in the middle of the week. So, not really expecting much, but I thought I'd take you along for the ride. So, I'm going to run home and take care of that, and we'll catch you at the show. that's going to do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.